Let's compare leaves. One of this week's activities is to go outside and compare trees and leaves near where you live. I have 3 different trees in my front yard. Let's take a closer look at them. This tree is taller than I am. It has a very straight trunk. I can reach my hands around it. Right now, the leaves are very dark red. Like this. What do you notice about this leaf? What shape is it? What about the edges? Are they smooth or bumpy? Does it have points? How many? What do you notice about the stem? This is the smallest tree in my yard, and the youngest. The trunk is very skinny, and it bends over at the top. I tied it to a post to help it stand up straight. Here's a leaf from this tree. What do you notice about this leaf? What color is it? What shape is it? Look at the edges. This leaf has lobes instead of points. How many lobes can you count? What do you notice about the stem on this leaf? This tree is the biggest tree in my front yard. It is tall and wide. If you look closely, you will see there are 3 trunks, so it's really 3 trees growing close together. The bark of this tree is different from the bark on the other trees. What color is it? Here is a leaf from this tree. What do you notice about this leaf? Does it have points or lobes? What color is it? What shape? What do you notice about the stem? Let's compare the leaves from the 3 trees I have in my front yard. How are they the same? How are they different? What color are they? What shape? Which one is the biggest? Which one is the smallest? What I think is really funny is that the biggest leaf comes from the smallest tree, and the smallest leaf comes from the biggest tree. This page shows parts of a tree. The roots grow under the ground. Then there's a trunk. There are branches up high, and buds where the leaves will grow next year. The leaves, and the stems, and the seeds, and the bark, they're all parts of a tree. This kind of tree is called a maple tree. This kind of tree is called an oak tree. This particular kind is a bur oak. And this tree is called a birch tree. Which tree do you think this leaf came from? What kinds of trees do you have in your yard or your neighborhood? Look around and see what you can find. Share some pictures with your friends on Seesaw.